Do you want your cursor to be like this? Or this? Or this? I'm gonna show you how in a moment. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new video. Basically, we will just download 2 applications. This enhance your presentations, streaming or tutorial video. First, we have to download the AUTOHOTKEY. You can get a link on the description. Just go to the site and download current version. Then the next application is the cursor highlighter application. Get the link from the description. On the page, just scroll down to find the version 2.2 of cursor highlighter. Just click this link, then download. Once the download is complete, open the download folder. Then you can close or minimize your browser. We have to install the AUTOHOTKEY first. Just right-click and select Run as administrator. You will have the option for Express installation and custom installation. Select Express installation. Then click on Run AUTOHOTKEY. Welcome notes will come out. You can read or just close them and proceed with the installation of the cursor highlighter. As you can see here, it says installation complete. Now it's time to install the cursor highlighter. Run the file as administrator. Select Yes on the prompt message. And there you have it. The highlighter is on. To customize the settings, you can find the cursor icon on your taskbar. To remove the effects, just left-click and right-click to change to image or to change to focus. Now for more setup option. Right-click and select settings. For cursor highlight, you can modify the even the left and right-click effects. For example, I want to adjust the diameter of the highlight, just change it here. And also the color. But I'm good with yellow. Now for the picture option. You may also change the size or even the image itself. Just click the bullet and browse your preferred photo. Then the focus option can also be adjusted in terms of size and opacity. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you have suggestions and request how-to videos, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.